In this video, I will show you how to select all emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. The next thing I want you to do is look for a folder or a label where you want to select the emails from. So you can either choose to go to inbox. When you click here on this top box here, you click on select. It's going to select all of the mails under this category in your inbox folder. If you'd like to select all mail also, you can go to all mail here and you select from here. Now if you'd like to also search, maybe you want to select all emails from a more refined search, like let's use is unread, like you want to select only unread emails. Once you click on enter, it's going to show you only unread emails in all of the folders or labels in your email address. Once you click on this button here, it's going to select all of it, but it's going to select 1 of 100, so it's just the first page. And that's how you select all emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.